back again. Please make sure to remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And get the ding bell on there too. You know the deal. We're at ZAXBYS, or we went to ZAXBYS. We got ourselves the Kickin chicken sandwich. Looks like some Texas toast, 3 or 4 pieces of tenders, some white savory sauce, some buffalo sauce, or some kind of hot sauce. It's supposed to be really hot. We'll see how hot it really stands up. And I got some crinkle cut fries, but I couldn't wait to eat those. So there's less in the box than there normally be. Now, they got a good seasoning on the fries. It's a nice seasoned salt flavoring, which is ideal for fries that don't really have a lot of flavor, the crinkle cuts especially. This looks like a pretty large sandwich, and the sauce is kind of dripping everywhere. You see on the bottom, you got a little sauce dipping in the bread. I'm just gonna go in. This is the Kickin chicken sandwich from ZAXBYS, Lindull Snaxx. Here's to you. It is dripping. Oh my. Dripping everywhere. Now, I have some napkins, but they're hidden well underneath the box. As you can see, my fingers are covered in sauce. Now, usually, I'm not a fan of messy sandwiches, but when it's supposed to be hot and full of flavor, it gets to the point. It's pretty good. Let me go in for another bite and see what I got. Oh, I'm gonna have a fry on it too. What? It's not Raising Cane, so it's decent enough. Again, just messy everywhere. I'm just getting sauce all over my fingers and my face, I'm sure. Not enough napkins to clean up this mess. Well, the Texas toast that the sandwich comes on, decent. It's nothing to write home about. But the chicken and the buffalo sauce and I think it's the ranch sauce, I'm assuming, kind of blends well together. Makes a nice savory and also hot experience at the same time. I like it. For this sandwich, I would have to give it a 3.5 out of 5 chance. Only because it's a little too messy for my liking. But if it had a little less mess, maybe a little bit more presentable, might be a 4 out of 5. But I'm gonna keep enjoying the sandwich. But for now, this has been Lindull Snaxx at ZAXBYS with their Kickin chicken sandwich. Till next time, have a good day.